What's up, everybody? It's your girl Shay'Elaine, and welcome back to my channel.
Way too blast.
Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your girl Shay'Elaine. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm so happy to see you. I hope that you'll consider sticking around and becoming a member of the Flawed But Fabulous family by hitting the subscribe button and hitting the notification bell. That way you're notified every single time I post a video. This channel is going to be for everyone. If you drop a comment and let me know what it is you want to see, 9 times out of 10 you'll see it on this channel. You're getting hair, you're getting makeup. If you guys like this look, there is a tutorial up on how I created this look. I am living my RuPaul's Drag Race Diana Ross fantasy right now, and I am loving it. I am here for it on this 4th of July weekend. So without further ado, I'm going to show you guys some really quick looks that y'all can do, plus size looks. It's a couple different stores. I'll make sure to link everything in the description box for you guys below. Just some casual, some flirty, fun things that you guys can throw on. So I'm going to throw like 5 or 6 outfits out there. Make sure you guys comment below to let me know which one was your favorite, what you would change about those outfits. Also, stimulate the like button so I know that you guys like these types of videos so I can continue to bring you this type of content. Now, I'm going to stop running my mouth and I'm going to show you guys what I came up with. I hope you enjoy. So, this first look is just super comfortable, super casual. From the office to a cute lunch date, you know, brunch with the girls, whatever the case may be. This entire outfit I actually got from Fashion Nova. The pants are actually a bit big in this particular one, but it was still really cute, so I wanted to show you. This outfit is also from Fashion Nova, and it was on Cardi B, I think was the first person I saw in it. But y'all, I am living for this freaking dress. It is super sexy, super comfortable, high split, cute clear pump. You know, this hair worked out really well with it. I'm living my, you know, Diana Ross showgirl, feeling, you know, good from my head to my shoes kind of life in this life of the party. Love it. So this, you know, always a classic black, something super fun, comfortable, slick, sleek, clear pump, nothing super, you know, out of the ordinary. You can throw on a cute handbag with this, gold, red, purple, whatever color you really want to. That top is a bodysuit from Fashion Nova. The bottom is, I believe, from Fashion to Figure, also kind of big on me. But I wasn't wearing any shapewear in this video, and I just didn't feel like it. So it was still giving me cute. Little peekaboo at the front. You know, you can keep it open or closed, whatever. I always think it's cool and comfortable to be on a date and be, like, comfortable. So jeans is always a good way to go. Those jeans are from Lace and Leopard, her, you know, line. I don't know if she has a website, but if I can find, you know, the link to her Instagram, I'll link it at the bottom. Now, that top is from Pretty Little Thing, and y'all, I literally just tried this top on in this video, and it already had ripped on the side, so I wouldn't suggest this particular top, but any top like this with some jeans and these red pumps were, you know, what it was. You can wear it with black, too. This, also fun. Same kind of concept as the one I just showed you guys with the wrap top, a little peekaboo at the top. You know, cute little, I'm going downtown Georgetown for a walk outside, put on some mules, or, you know, if you feel like wearing heels with this, you totally can throw on a black open toe pump, whatever. And just a crossbody. It's super light and super comfortable. That top is from Fashion Nova. Also, anything that I can still find for you guys, I will link in the description box below for you. And those are the same jeans from Lace and Leopard. So I actually like her stuff on her website, but this is like super fun, very cute. All right, sis. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed the looks that I put together for you guys. These were like really on the fly. Like, I didn't really plan them out. I just kind of grabbed some things, but the next one that I do, I will definitely try to plan them out a little bit better and give you guys like accessories and all that type of things that go with it, not just the shoe. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you guys found it useful. Comment below, tell me what you like, what your favorite one was. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I love you, love you, love you. Bye.